So today we are in Hawthorne Ranch, one of the Lakeland's fastest growing new construction community. This community offers large home sites, green space areas, clubhouse with resort style pools, cabanas, fitness center, and parks, and also a lot of walking trails around the area. So you have an idea, we are located along West Pepkin Road near Lakeland Linder International Airport. So this is very easy access to I-4, making it really convenient to get to Tampa or Orlando, which we're around an hour away from Orlando, around 30 minutes from Tampa. So today I'm going to show you the Mira Lago C model, one of the most wanted floor plans here for MI homes. This home features 5 bedrooms, 3 baths. It's a game area as well, and it has a 3 to 4 car garage with approximately 3,500 square feet. So let's go inside. All right, guys, so to finish up with this video, the base price of this home right behind me starts at around $491,000. Now, there's an HOA of only $40 per month, which is very reasonable for new constructions here around this area. There is a CDD of that are range from between 1,890 to 2,267. Now, that's all going to be depending on the home site that you choose. If if this house is too big for you, then you could go ahead and choose a home site that's a little bit smaller, or a model that is smaller for you as well. They have a few different models that you could choose from. And the good thing is, it's a smart home as well. Now, if you want to know the current availability and incentives that this community has to offer, or anything here in Lakeland, Florida, or Central Florida, my information is going to be below right here. Just give me a call. Definitely would love to help you out. And then if you just strolling to see the new constructions here in Central Florida, stay tuned because more new constructions are coming soon. So thank you for watching. See you in the next one.